These slippers are worked flat. So I'm going to get started and show you how easy it is to make these slippers. Start by casting on the number of stitches required. Okay, I have my stitches cast on, and for the first 2 rows I'm going to work in ribbing of knit 2, purl 2. So knit 2, I'm going to purl, you bring your yarn over toward you, purl 2. Knit 2, so bring the yarn back over. I'm going to purl 2, so bring the yarn toward you, purl 2, knit 2, and back over, purl 2, okay, that's 1 row of ribbing, and another row of the same ribbing. Again, knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2. Continue across the row. Okay, so that is this section, and now it's going to be knit every row. And it's going to be knit every row for the light color. It's also going to be knit every row for the dark color, and then for the light color again, and then the last 2 rows of knit 2, purl 2, and then cast off. So for the remainder of the pattern, until you reach the ribbing on the other side, it's knit every row. So it's just knit every stitch. So knit across the row, knit across the next row, and continue to do that for the following number of rows. To cast off, knit the first stitch, knit the next stitch, pull the previous stitch over and off the needle. Now those 2 stitches are going to be purl when you're finishing because you do 2 rows of the ribbing. So bring your yarn over, purl the next stitch, pull the previous stitch over and off the needle, purl the next stitch, cast off, and then the next 2 would be knit, so you would do that, knit 2, cast them off as you're working across the row. After gathering up the toe end, sew across the top approximately halfway. Like that. And now I'm going to sew down the heel end. And there's the finished slipper. And that's it. That's how easy it is to knit these slippers. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.